One possibility we should discuss is the solving of equations by a graphical method. Here we have the graph of x cubed minus 4x squared plus 2x plus 2. The points where this curve crosses the x-axis are the solutions to the equation x cubed minus 4x squared plus 2x plus 2 is equal to 0. So we can see we have three such solutions, and we'd like them more accurately than we can read them from the graph. We can see that we have three solutions in the interval minus 1 to 0, 1 to 2, and 3 to 4. So drawing a graph can be a good first step in locating solutions. We at least can see the interval in which the solutions lie. However, to get it more accurate using a graphical technique would require us to zoom in. This means drawing a sequence of graphs, zooming in on the solutions. This is not a very practical technique, and it would be very time-consuming. So we need to do better, and that's exactly what numerical techniques do. They zoom in on solutions without any need to draw graphs. They are performed by a series of repeatable calculations, or iterative steps, as we'll see later in the chapter. Because they are repetitive, we can program a computer to do these techniques, and that means that they can be done very quickly.